what's up, guys? What are you guys working on?
Hey, we're taking a survey about what does visual arts and humanity mean to you? It's like a big question. What do you think?
Me, I see the world like my canvas. Like in animation class, we use photos of LA to animate 3D models on the computer. So like we went to more popular areas such as downtown, just like more popular areas where more people visit, and we just took pictures and we just like 3D modeled them in animation class.
Yeah, for me, it's really about connecting things in like a cool way, like using math formulas to actually create visual art and 3D printing. Remember the detailed heart we made last month in bio class?
Oh yeah, those are really cool examples. I just presented my senior defense and it really made me think of like how it all connects here. I got an example too from a history class where like we were learning about the hidden alley stories and we had to like make a sculpture out of it. And I presented them my senior defense right now and it really got me to like reflect from it.
You can really make your own path as a volunteer.